Welcome to the bid evaluation, negotiations and award module tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of evaluating bids, negotiating with suppliers, and awarding contracts using our platform. Once bids have been submitted, navigate to the Under Evaluation tab under Requests to begin the evaluation process. Welcome to step 1 of our bidding process, document evaluation. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to evaluate supplier documents efficiently. Firstly, click on Review Documents next to supplier's name to assess their submitted documents. Next, click on the document name to thoroughly review the documents provided by the supplier. If the documents are in order, click Pass. However, if there are issues, click Fail and provide a reason for the failure. You can view comments from other evaluators by clicking the arrow next to a supplier's name. If other evaluators haven't completed their assessments, click Remind Evaluators to send them an email reminder about their pending tasks. It's essential to provide your signature for the evaluation report. Click on Update Signature to create or update your signature. You can type your signature, upload an image of your signature, or even draw your signature directly on the platform. Finally, once you've completed the evaluations, click Close Document Evaluation to select the suppliers you wish to proceed with for the quote evaluation. Ready to move on? Click Proceed with Selected to progress to Step 2, Quote Evaluation and Negotiation. And that's it for Step 1, Document Evaluation. Stay tuned for Step 2, where we dive into Quote Evaluation and Negotiation.